Managing a deskless team isn't easy. When your employees are out in the field or working shifts, keeping everyone aligned quickly becomes a challenge. Communication gets messy, scheduling is confusing, and productivity takes a hit. That's where Connecteam comes in. Connecteam is the all-in-one, mobile-first employee management app built specifically for deskless teams. From time tracking and scheduling, employee team communication, HR, and training, everything your team needs lives in one simple, easy-to-use platform. No more juggling multiple tools. With Connecteam, you get one place to keep your team connected, organized, and efficient, so you can focus on running your business instead of chasing after details. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Connecteam simplifies team management and helps your business work smarter, not harder. Well, Connecteam creates a seamless system with features for three core sections, named Hubs, Operations, Communication, and HR and Skills. Together, these features let businesses manage their teams efficiently, keep everyone connected, and maintain productivity, especially when employees are spread across multiple locations. Communication is often the biggest challenge for teams that don't share the same workspace. Messages get lost, updates arrive too late, and employees struggle to find the right person or information when they need it most. Connecteam solves these communication roadblocks by centralizing everything into one streamlined system. Instead of scattered messages on different apps, Connecteam brings all communication under a single roof. Managers can instantly share updates or important announcements to make sure everyone receives the same information at the same time. Urgent alerts, policy changes, or safety reminders reach every employee without delay, no matter where they're working. When employees need clarity, they can directly message the right person, check company guidelines in the knowledge base, or raise an issue through the help desk or organizational chat without going through multiple channels. Here, the knowledge base is a centralized hub where businesses can store and share important documents, guides, and training materials so employees can easily access the information they need anytime. This structure doesn't just make communication faster, it makes it meaningful. By cutting down on confusion, Connecteam allows teams to focus on what really matters: getting work done efficiently. The result is a workplace where everyone stays aligned, problems are resolved quickly, and collaboration feels effortless, even across multiple job sites or shifts. Building on strong communication, Connecteam's features are designed to solve the real, everyday challenges of running a deskless workforce. Tracking work hours, for instance, often becomes a pain point, especially for field teams. Connecteam eliminates that hassle with a built-in time clock that allows employees to easily clock in and out and record their work hours with location verification, and ensures accurate payroll and compliance without manual input and avoid time theft. You can export straight timesheets to top payroll providers like ADP, Paychex, and more. And to stay on top of labor laws, they have automated overtime calculations, break tracking, and real-time alerts for compliance issues. Paper-based processes like inspections, reports, or checklists can slow teams down and lead to costly errors. Connecteam replaces all of that with digital forms that simplify data collection and make information instantly accessible. Scheduling, another common bottleneck, becomes effortless. Managers can assign shifts or tasks precisely. Avoid conflicts while taking into consideration employee PTO and unavailability, and maintain balance across teams. They even have an AI-powered scheduling feature to instantly assign shifts to your team while taking into consideration availability, roles, fairness, and requirements with expert precision. The result? Reliable schedules, happier employees, and no admin hassle. And when unexpected jobs or tasks arise, Quick Tasks allow supervisors to assign and track them instantly. Because every operational tool connects directly with communication features, managers get a real-time overview of everything happening across locations. The result? Faster coordination, fewer mistakes, and smoother workflows. In any organization, especially one with a deskless workforce, employee engagement often become the toughest challenges. That's exactly where Connecteam's HR and skills area makes a real difference. Training courses turn onboarding and upskilling into a continuous flow, helping new hires ramp up quickly and keeping experienced employees growing. They have an option to track employee progress and have a ready-to-use mobile-friendly form they can learn from on the go. Recognition tools, like rewards and celebrations, tackle one of the biggest issues in field teams, feeling unseen, by acknowledging milestones and contributions publicly. Time-off management replaces messy manual tracking with an automated, transparent system, preventing scheduling clashes and unnecessary stress. Meanwhile, organized access to key documents and a clear organizational chart give everyone visibility into company structure, which reduces confusion and dependency on HR for basic information. And recently, Connecteam has taken a major leap forward with the addition of Connecteam AI features to its feature lineup. With features like the AI agent, employees get instant answers from in-app resources without searching through manuals or documents. Auto-scheduling optimizes shifts automatically, while the AI course creator generates training content and quizzes in seconds. Meanwhile, the file-to-form automation converts documents into ready-to-use digital forms, and smart voice input lets employees fill forms or create tasks hands-free. On top of that, you'll have AI updates and translate, which ensures the messages reach teams with their preferred language. Connecteam's mobile app gives both employees and managers everything they need, right from their smartphones. With a full-featured, mobile-first experience, teams can track time, manage schedules, communicate instantly, and even handle HR tasks without ever needing a desktop. Every feature in Connecteam is designed specifically for mobility, making it the perfect fit for modern deskless and frontline teams. Employees can stay connected, share updates in real time, and complete tasks efficiently, no matter where they are. For businesses with remote or on-the-go employees, this mobile-first approach is a game changer. From submitting reports to checking updates or managing schedules, everything happens seamlessly in the palm of your hand. With Connecteam, workforce management is truly at your fingertips, so operations stay smooth, communication flows effortlessly, and employees remain engaged and productive. Now, you might think Connecteam will cost so high since it comes with tons of features. But when you see their plans, you'll find something for everyone. They even have a free plan for businesses with up to 10 users. From small and medium businesses to larger businesses, it offers specific plans with individual pricing. It means you can choose the one that your business needs. And you know the best part? Connecteam doesn't ask you to commit immediately. They give you a 14-day free trial so that you can explore all the features at your own pace and see how the platform works for your team before making any decisions. So that's everything we've explored and experienced with Connecteam so far. According to the pricing and its free offerings, we can say Connecteam will be a definite choice for small and mid-sized businesses. If you want to elevate the whole process of the workforce management of your business with one single platform, without tinkering between multiple ones, we'd say Connecteam will be worth trying out. And if you want to see how this platform can transform your team's workflow, check the link in the description below and get quick access to explore its features for yourself.